You want to go to the park? You want to go to the park? Come back here though. Wait before you go. Come back. Well, come here. We gotta get your leash. What? What? Where are you going? Milo.
He's
ready?
He's looking for me. I know.
You think we should go? Huh? You ready to go? What?
It's like he knows that me.
Where's your leash?
He and I always go.
Where's your leash? Huh? You got your leash? Well, if you can't, I can't see your mouth moving. What? What, buddy?
It's teasing him down to the oh, keep kidding.
You can't get him talking, can you?
He's moving his mouth.
He ain't talking now. If I walk over there. What's this? What's up? What? What? Yeah, what? Where are we going?
I can't get him. It's too dark over
Are we
there.
going there? Look at him. He's ready. Oh.